What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful digital marketing strategy that uses email to connect with potential and current customers. It involves sending targeted messages to a list of subscribers to promote products, services, or brand awareness. Think of it as a personalized conversation with your audience, delivered right to their inbox. Why is it important? Email marketing offers numerous benefits, including cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing channels, email marketing is relatively inexpensive, with high potential return on investment, ROI. Targeted reach. You can segment your email list based on demographics, interests, and purchase behavior, ensuring your messages reach the right people. Measurable results. Track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics to gauge the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Strong engagement. Build relationships with your audience by providing valuable content and offers, fostering loyalty and brand advocacy. Types of email marketing: promotional emails, announce new products, discounts, and sales to drive conversions. Transactional emails, order confirmations, shipping updates, and receipts to keep customers informed and engaged. Nurturing emails, educate leads about your products or services, guide them through the buyer's journey, and convert them into paying customers. Relationship-building emails, share valuable content like blog posts, infographics, and webinars to stay top of mind and build trust with your audience. Trigger-based emails. Send automated emails based on specific customer actions, such as abandoned carts or website visits, to re-engage and personalize the experience. Famous email marketing companies: Klaviyo. A popular platform for e-commerce businesses, Klaviyo offers powerful automation features and advanced analytics. MailChimp. A user-friendly platform with a free plan for small businesses, MailChimp provides basic email marketing tools and integrations. Constant Contact. Another beginner-friendly option, Constant Contact offers email templates, landing page creation tools, and marketing automation. ActiveCampaign. Ideal for complex marketing needs, ActiveCampaign features CRM integration, marketing automation, and advanced reporting. HubSpot. Part of a larger marketing suite, HubSpot's email marketing tool offers personalization capabilities, lead scoring, and A/B testing. Klaviyo, a case study. Klaviyo is a leading email marketing platform specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. It boasts features like automated email sequences, triggered by customer actions. These sequences nurture leads, drive sales, and recover abandoned carts. Segmentation and personalization. Tailor your emails to specific customer segments based on purchase history, interests, and behavior. Detailed analytics and reporting. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and revenue generated from email campaigns. Integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, and others. The future of email marketing. Email marketing continues to evolve, with a focus on personalization, automation, and artificial intelligence, AI. Here are some trends to watch. Increased use of AI. AI-powered tools can personalize content, predict customer behavior, and optimize email campaigns for better results. Interactive content. Emails with embedded videos, quizzes, and polls can boost engagement and conversions. Focus on privacy and security. With growing privacy concerns, email marketers must prioritize data security and compliance with regulations. Conclusion. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to connect with their audience, drive sales, and build lasting relationships. By understanding the different types, utilizing the right tools, and staying up to date on the latest trends, you can leverage email marketing to achieve your business goals. Remember, email marketing is about building relationships, not just blasting out messages. Focus on providing value to your audience with informative and engaging content. Personalize your emails to increase relevance and engagement. Track your results and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. With the right approach, email marketing can be a valuable asset for your business, helping you reach your target audience, achieve your goals, and build lasting success.